Hey guys, you know that I started my own website called kitandroidrh.com. I just want you to tell you that just visit it one time and it will help me a lot. The link of the website will be in my description. Please, it is my request that to visit it once and it will be a pleasure to me. Thanks. What's up, everybody? Kit Android here. So yeah, Huawei is all set to unveil its latest P60 series of phones this year in March, and we already have a good idea about how the device will actually look like as we got some early renders of the phone from well-known leaksters. But it looks like the smartphone will look a little bit different as we got an early live look of the phone. So yeah, here it is. A tipster has now released a live image of the P60 Pro test device, which has identical statistics to the past flagship, the P50 Pro. So I would say one thing, keep in mind that this is a test device and not the 100% confirmed design. But at the same time, you can assume that the actual design will be quite similar to this one. So if we went into detail, the Huawei's P60 Pro test device contains a large rectangular camera bump with a dual ring cameras. The camera bump and the rear panel have pure white colors. However, there are no other details visible at the moment. But rear design looks different from the past leaks and rumors. And it's the fact that this is a testing model and covers up design aesthetics. So don't reveal it ahead of the official launch. Anyway, Huawei, who is a well-known leakster, has recreated this test device to clearer renders to provide a clear view of the design. And just look at that. It looks quite decent though. But at the same time, I want Huawei to make the design a little bit different because it looks quite like the Huawei's P50 Pro from last year. Anyway, the concept creator imagined this smartphone in ceramic white color. On the front side, it has a curved edge display and center hole punch design to host a selfie camera, which looks quite good. So yeah, this is a real clear view of the Huawei's P50 Pro test device. What do you think about it? Well, do let me know your thoughts on this in the comments down below. And as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.